Guys, here's a little tour of my garden. So this is our July garden tour. The zinnias are blooming. We have moringa right here. Blueberries are good. Look at how thick the sweet potatoes are. We have harvested some of the onions, but we have left half of it. This is the raised bed where I harvested the garlic, and it has been planted with beans. And then over there, those are the potatoes, and there are tomatoes in there. We have a bunch of tomatoes in the garden. And then some more moringa. Look at this beautiful moringa right here. All of these are tomatoes. You can see all of those San Marzano and Roma tomatoes. They're shining in the dark. Bunch of bell peppers. We have a bunch of eggplants. Bell peppers and eggplants right there. More potatoes in this bed. More potatoes. We have some okra. And then right here we have watermelon. We also have some okra. This is this Three Sisters garden. Look at this healthy corn. And then over here in the back, huge volunteer sunflower. Let's move closer to that. Oh, look at that, how beautiful that is. Really, really tall. And then here I have just planted a bunch of white bitter melon. So we have 3 in here. We have some over there where there's mulch. The grape is doing good. And then this one has a lot of weeds, but I'm gonna have to weed that whenever I can. We have a container here that has been added with a drip irrigation, and then some more bitter melon in the back. This is the asparagus bed. Another grape plant right here. The string beans have started climbing. More tomatoes and beans. This is the herb garden. We have some basil, oregano, sage, dill, cilantro, and many others. Here's a banana plant, the huge oregano. We have potatoes in container, some onions, strawberries. The lettuce have bolted. More strawberries right here. Tomatoes in containers. We have our Philippine lemon and a bunch of peppers right there. Beautiful Swiss chard. This is one of the ginger that I have planted. Here's another ginger. We have some celery. We've just harvested a bunch of bell peppers. So this is our bell pepper bed. And then that was the potato bed that we've already planted with green beans. More peppers right here. And then we've just planted some butternut squash in this trellis. That's gonna be all for our short garden tour today. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.